Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning quickly. Press Ctrl+N to jump to the workbook's last used cell and see where Excel believes the end is. If you need the true data edge, use Ctrl+Right or Ctrl+Down to move to the next occupied cell in that direction. Once done, hold Ctrl+Shift and press an arrow to select from your current cell to that edge. This lets you verify contiguous data and prepares you for the next cleanup or navigation step. Next, determine the true last row and reset Excel's end. Go to Ctrl+G, click Special, choose Last Cell to confirm where Excel thinks data ends. If that location is beyond your real data, clear stray formatting by selecting affected rows/columns and using Clear Formats from the Home ribbon. Delete entirely blank rows or columns, then save and close the file. Reopening forces Excel. Finally, use targeted moves and checks to finish efficiently. From a column header, press Ctrl+Down to drop to the bottom of that contiguous data block. Similarly, use Ctrl+Right across a row. After you trim blanks and clear formats, press Ctrl+N to confirm the endpoint. If it's still wrong, check for hidden rows, filtered ranges, or array formulas that extend ranges. One troubleshooting tip. If Ctrl+N remains misguided, save, close, and reopen the workbook to force a used range recalculation. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.